Okay, so we got some new U-line bubble nailers here that I'm really excited to show you guys. They're freaking dope. This one's already been cut open.
Yeah, nobody knows what you're talking about unless they looked at the title. So, what do we got in the boxes?
Early prototype stuff from MTX Audio. So they sent us a full. They've built a full OEM style kit, OEM quality kit for the Turbo S machines. It should be it's supposed to integrate with Ride Command. I think they're going to have different options.
I'm excited.
We're sort of just supposed to install it and test it and see how it all fits together with the OEM stuff. I'm super excited.
Hopefully we can figure it out.
I'm super excited. Hopefully it gets loud enough to mute out your passengers. Listen, woman. I don't want to hear it from you. All right, so let's see what's in
Box number one.
Number one.
I think those are the big speakers.
These are the dildos. Where's the stereo stuff?
I don't think we have room to mount those. No,
Ooh,
oh no, these are the...
We got some brackets. These are going to be, looks like some rear, maybe down below? In the footwells?
In the footwells.
Okay. Sweet, badass.
Open one up. Yeah, it's hard to see through the plastic. Like it's see-through, but...
True.
That is true.
Ooh.
Nice plug and play.
Those are pretty rad.
That looks really good.
How's the
Like
plastic?
branding on there.
Does it look OEM?
It does.
This looks
It's not dusty.
every bit as
It's
nice.
not dusty. We'll get it dusty
This
soon.
looks every bit as nice as the stuff, or nicer than the stuff I put in
The Rockford Fosgate
the
and
X-
the XP
in
Pro.
the XP Pro, which is Razer's OEM version for that. All right, box number dos. 6.5-inch universal cage mount speaker pair. All right. So, and again, just to clarify, or just to be clear, this is kind of a prototype, early prototype. This stuff might be different when they release it to the public. Based 100% on our input, obviously.
Although these speakers are ones that they have been doing for a while. These cage mount speakers.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
That looks
Yep,
loud.
True. True. Well, the ones we had on our old Razor were super loud.
Yeah.
So.
All right, put that back in. Woman.
Hey, don't drop my stuff.
All right, this looks like the
This is the good stuff.
loud button. Oh yeah,
Nah.
That's the party right there.
that's the party one. This I
Does it
think.
go in the back?
No, I think this goes down on. I bet you on the footwell, on the passenger side.
Oh.
I bet you.
Guess we'll have to read the instructions.
So it's so new that it doesn't actually have instructions yet.
It's a stereo. How hard can it be?
We have to wing it. We'll see how good we are. Always the mounting. Oh, all the good, fun goodies.
Amp here, 650 watt amp.
Nice.
Is that what is that?
Lights for the speakers.
That's cool.
Do they turn blue like
This
the
is
rest
just
of
the
our
remote,
lights?
I think. So they must have lights already in them, which is super awesome.
Oh, another amplifier.
What?
2 amplifiers.
2 amps.
One's probably specifically for the sub, and then the rest is to power the speakers.
Oh, yeah.
I'd assume.
Yeah.
Yeah. gotta be more in there than this, just the bracket. Extra brackets.
Wiring and brackets. All right,
More
sweet.
wiring.
Sweet.
All right. Well,
All right.
Look at the quality of that
it's gonna be
wiring.
fun.
That's some
Yeah.
heavy duty shiz.
Super nice wiring harnesses.
Fantastic.
MTX makes awesome stuff.
They do. We've worked with them for a few years. We met one of the dudes, Jason, at some UTV events a few years ago, and
He put up with
loved
our
their
kids.
company. He did. He put up with our kids. Thanks,
Bugging
Jason.
him all weekend.
Well, thanks, Jason and MTX. We're excited to get this thing installed, and we'll do a follow-up video letting you know how loud it is. Hopefully, we need earplugs. Rokblokz out. Wait, we gotta come up with something. Wait,
Cut.
Should we hug? Should we hug for the ending?
No.
Oh, that's not even your cool one. You actually have to put some wrist
I'm
action in there.
sorry, you're right. At least I grabbed a knife.
Finally.
Threatening people with knives. We got video proof of you guys threatening each other. And the camera guy now.
Work out our issues. Mine's bigger.
Yes, it is.
I don't hear that very often.
Oh, jeez.